Hello, YouTubers. Got a unboxing of the Fader Load, or Fader Load, Fader Drone from TRND Labs. I guess that would be abbreviation for Trend Labs. All right. Let's see, get a user guide. I don't know if it comes with batteries. I think you might have to supply your own. I got this through my Marlboro miles. I did download their smartphone app, and I looked online. They're on sale right now for $99. Get the drone as the propeller guards. There's the camera. It has the FCC, Federal Communications Corporation ID. There's a charger port on the side. Okay, plastic within a plastic. And here's the controller. And you clip your phone in there. On-off switch. It's got a little tiny screw for charging, or not charging, battery pack. You'd think that would lock down. Let's see what else you get. Okay, comes with a little mini screwdriver. Some spare propellers. How well you can see that. There we go. Micro USB cable. That's the battery, I think, for the drone. No. It already has a battery in it, I think. Or does it plug in the back? I'm not sure. I'd have to look at the directions. Not sure what that is just yet. Well, let's look at the directions. Got some writing on it. Oh, yeah, I guess that is. directions. And I haven't looked at the app on the phone yet. Okay, there's the battery. That gets plugged in. Okay. Right there. Micro end of the USB. Cord plugs in there. Let's see what this little doohickey is. Oh. USB for something. Maybe for the card, memory card. I'm not sure. Oh, I guess I didn't see it. Never owned a drone before, so I'm not exactly sure. Okay. Comes with 4 gigabyte focus. 4 gigabyte memory card, so I guess that's the card reader. And that goes in the slot in the back here. Sorry, it's a black background, so hard to see. But I guess I'll get this charged up, and it's dark outside now. Maybe tomorrow I'll have a video on trying it out for the first time. Thanks for watching. Have a good night, or day, or whatever time of day it is. Truck Driving Mylan out.